And starting from left to right, leaving some space for myself. Wonderful, and there's a little wrinkle on my paper, so I'll just clean that up. Similar to the O, but I want to stop just before because otherwise you'll make too big of a curve and cut into the wrong part of your P. Again, just a twirl. If you need to come back and clean it, you totally can on that final stroke. And this one can go in either direction depending on what you need. Or you can just kiss the edge of that curve there, but I definitely want to pay attention to my negative space here. And make sure that it's an accurate representation of my connecting brush strokes. So I want it to feel like it's even all around. Oh. Wonderful, and then I'll finish off my bottom and top here with just some details to really make it feel like it's a convincing Gothic letter form because all of those key characteristics are there. Strong brush strokes, chisels on the edges of the letters, and equal weight of brush strokes all around. And there you have it. You have your Gothic letter P.